Speeding fines around the world vary greatly, anything from the equivalent of 5 pence to over £500,000. And with over 1,000 people dying every day from road traffic collisions, with a proven factor being speeding, this is something we should all take very seriously. So welcome back, I'm the Black Belt Barrister, helping you to understand law and bringing you some trivia to think about today. So depending on where you live in the world, speeding fines are worked out in different ways. They're either a fixed fine or they're worked out based on your income. And in the United Kingdom, it will depend on what speed you're doing and whether you're given a fixed penalty for it. A fixed penalty will see you with £100, whereas if you end up in court, as you'll see from my other videos, that could be very much more. And there's also a very fine line between speeding and careless driving, which obviously carries a more severe penalty. But if you lived in the Sudan, however, and you got caught speeding, you'll be fined the equivalent of around 5 pence. Whereas if you get caught in Switzerland for speeding, you'll be fined on average just shy of £10,000. It's Switzerland, in fact, that holds the world record at 709,000 Swiss francs, which is the equivalent of 572,000 British pounds. This was for a driver in Switzerland caught by a speed camera doing 290 kph, which is around 180 miles an hour. And if you lived in the United States, this can vary a great deal again, anything from around £1,500 to around £200 depending on the state. Whereas in somewhere like Cuba, it's the equivalent of around £1.86. And in South America, it varies greatly again. You see, in Argentina, a speeding fine will set you back the equivalent of around £2,800, whereas in the neighbouring country of Paraguay, take a guess, it's more like 10 pence. Over in the Middle East and Central Asia, the highest fines go up to around £1,500, with the lowest fines going down to just a few pence. In Australia and New South Wales, a speeding fine will attract around £1,250, whereas in Thailand, Pakistan and Nepal, only around £10. But either way, speeding fines are designed to deter speeding in the first place, obviously, because speeding is one of the leading causes of collision. And studies show that speeding is one of the main factors in causing collisions, which kills 1,000 people a day. So fines or not, please be careful out there. Please give this video a like, remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching.